What are you doing? Pidang le ayu? I am cooking food. Ngadang shet jingbam. Can you help me? Pila banyarap yanga. Yes, I can help you. Hot. Ngala banyarap yapi. Can I have some water, please? Ngala banyo Snob ha? Yes, here you are. Hot shimhang ne. Let us go to the shop. Yang in yalen shadukan. How much is this? Katno kador sangkane. Its price is 100 rupees. Kador jongka kalong shispa tingka. This kind of thing is expensive. Kani kajatyar karem dor. Let's search for a cheaper one. Yangin yawad dakaba kamtat. Ben shakalyang kadyang jongpi. Look at your left side. This is more beautiful. This is more beautiful. Kani kakam itanan. Do you want to buy this one? Do you want to buy this one? Hatu pikwa bantiet yakania? Yes, ask him to pack this one. Hoi, ong yau bansong yakania. Let us go back home now. Yang nyalit pai no shayeng manta. What are you going to cook? Pimut banshet ayu? I boil potatoes with lentils. Ngashet sarwa upan uday. Why don't you fry it? Balay pimshus di yaka. He likes eating boiled. Usungubang bam sarwa. Can you eat boiled? Pila ban bam sarwa. I eat only sometimes. Ngabam tang teng teng. Do you know how to fry? Pinang kumno bansdi. I know, but it is not tasty. Nganang tangba kambangra. Whenever my mother fry vegetables, menba imei nga is dijur. The vegetables is very tasty. Ujur ubang shabapalat. I usually eat 2 plates of rice. Man kapor ngabam arplyang kaja. If my father cooks lada shet tingset ipa, it is tasty but very spicy. Kabang baha tang bakasat ba. My grandmother cannot eat it. Imi ichong ha imla man bameka. Who will go shopping? Manu banlet tiet jing tien. He will go after sometimes. Mau unlet sa shipang. Do you need something? Balay pidan kam ee. I want to buy rice and potato. Ngakwa man tiet kaw wat pan. How much rice and potatoes should I buy? Ngan tiet katno ukaw bat upan. Buy rice 5 kilograms and potatoes 1 kilogram. Tiet kaw san kilo bat upan shi kilo. Do you have meat at home? Pidan do ayeng. No, I don't have it anymore. Ngam dan shura. Should I buy meat too? Hatu ngan tiet do ru. No need to buy it. Dan kam ban tiet yaka. I eat meat only twice a week. Ngabam do tang arsin chitayo. How can you swallow the rice? Kumno pila ngot yakaja. It has become my habit. Kalakala long kajingmalian jonga. You are a broad-minded person. Pilang ubriyo bayar jingmut. How much money do I have to take with me? Ngan habra katno tingka kapisa. Do you have 1,000 rupees? Pidan shahajar tingka? Yes, I have more than that. Oot, ngadan bun banyakata. Okay, go and buy it now. Tok hilet tiet no manta. At what time will you return? Hakapor kan no jipin wan pai. I will return on evening. Ngan wan pai por jan meet. Can you come earlier than that? Pila wan pai kam kloy kata.